So finally we arrived in the
Dili,
area.
sir. Ako, Manubo
Prosperidad.
ako, pure.
And the owner asked if I'm
Nitibo
Tagalog
ba?
or
Agusan
no.
Sur.
So I answered that I belong to a tribe which Manubo tribe
Guwapo, ini kay may
in
dinitibo
Caraga
kita.
region.
Oh.
Then I have to park the mini truck so we can park the mini truck properly so we can get the tools at the back easily. Or we also bring hydraulic and filters for us to change the hydraulic after we fix the L40 tractor. We sure that this one is the hydraulic is mixed with water. Alright, careful. Sige boss, atras boss.
Mayo.
Anyway, this is the L40 tractor. So this is the concern of customer from Prosperidad. So first we'll have to check what really happened
Yan sir. Most of
because
them.
the owner also does not don't have any idea what's the problem his tractor. So my companion was checking under the tractor if there's a leak. So we place a small wood for us to put a jack if ever that there is a problem there. So we have because we in fixing a tractor we have to make sure that our surroundings is safety, and also for our safety is the first thing to do, right? Because we cannot undo we cannot undo all things that happen. So I'm preparing the tools that we need to remove the tires of L40. So since our partner is just putting a jack, making sure that the jack is should be placed on a proper position so that it will not move on the left side where we want to fix. Anyway, it had the axle has a crack on its left side. I also have to use the extension to loosen the bolts of the tires. For us to loosen it easily. Okay, let us check. Up, 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 up. Okay, so we'll have to find a solution to this. So I asked the owner to provide. So there you go. We have a digging bar. So we use it since we don't have extension. So we use that one. Okay, all right. Okay. One and number two. Oh, oops. All right. Okay. Anyway, before we lift the tractor, we should loosen the tire first. Okay, for us when the tractor is already hung, so we can easily use our impact drill to continue to loosen the tire to remove. While loosening the bolts, though I do not take a video on our fans around, but we have so many watchers around us while working.
Yeah.
There you go. So my partner is lifting the tractor slowly. Because I've done loosening the bolt. Alright. This job is quite interesting because it takes time to remove one parts, and also a technique on how to do it properly, and at the same time we should consider our safety to avoid accident or injury. So that is the most important one in fixing not only tractor, but maybe on cars or anything that might hinder or that might injure us. So now we can use our impact drill to loosen the bolts because it's already lit.
Best trip over na, bro.
Also, we make sure that the tire will not fall into our face.
The tire.
Just watch how I do it. So if you have partners, so you can ask assistant
Dapat may one piece
to
tayo.
him if you have. And problem is we do not have the
Sabihin
gloves.
ng mga Asturiano ba?
It's
You said safety, and then why you
the
say you do
tire covered with mud
your glove?
that it should usually clean before
Sir, pinobre ba ko
fixing. So we have done removing the tires. So
mga on.
my partner was removing the brake, the pin, using the vice grip, and is having a hard time in removing the pin because it's covered with mud and also it rusty. Okay, finally remove the pin. So there. I'll have to remove the nuts and the bolts on the sidings. Sorry, my friend. Jogani kayo panumbag.
Dito sa mga kono.
So here we have to use the hammer just to impact the nuts. I mean the bolts, because when we do not use the hammer, there's a possibility that the bolts will lost its thread, and but before that we have to clean the sidings because it's covered with mud. So here we have hammer it gently, so that when we use the tools, it will easily loosen. There you go.
Tigas.
Alright, before we remove the siding, we have to make sure that the wires unplug, because that is mounted on the sidings. If sometimes we should check before we remove, although the bolts are already loosened, but before we remove the siding, we have to check it again for us to be sure that there is no such
Hindi madala ni sulda
wire
replace.
cut.
So this one,
So there you go. As
it has a
what my
crack
partner
here.
pointed, that there is a crack. So we asked the owner, we showed the owner where is the problem. He said that his operator is the operator of this tractor do not give information, didn't report any noise or problem in the while they are using the unit. So after the operator parked the unit, so he he vanished and never asked permission to leave, never come back, because I think he knows what is the real problem. It costs a lot of money. Boslot ang bulsa ni. Why? Because that is also the owner don't have any idea what is happening to his what happened to his unit. That is why he called us to check. But before that, before we remove the axle, we have to remove the support of the canopy.
Hindi ba natin ito matawag ngayon?
Since the back drill doesn't work, so we have to use the power tool, hand tool.
No, ito raw nun.
If not, so we use the same style.
Sir, ano eh? Oh. Sa plano yung matungwa sa waiting sa kapukuan, tubigan. Diba? Hindi na ako sa video ko lang ko ang isang dalunay mo. Doon na ka magkakita kung may gamiton sa kuhan. May tuligan. Kung ganit, ako ka video para kano na rin. Lain man niya ako gamit nga cellphone sir sa ako buwan, driver sa help. Number sir, kaya nga gamit mo buwan, driver. Parang mo na ba? Alam? Oo, sir. Naman number na mong bulan. Oo, gano'n. Ito na ganito sir.
Ngon. Hai Salde. Wala si Salde.
Huwag kalimutan tinanggal mo. Ikaw ba mag...
Oo. Sorry ba? Balik na ba sa... Ito ba ba? Ano sa mga tumawag mo ang pagmamahal na sa dito ay ito ang ating sa...
Reklamo ko na basa-basa.
Tapos ako sa bulat ko.
Ah,
Tapos ito tigas mo.
apa siya karon? Kamu doon. Gawin nga.
Wah. Sabi na lang ako. Ha?
Gawin mo lang paano.
Hindi na ako.
Paano ko gawin?
Ang tubig lang to, wala matubig.
Okay na. Wala na.
Gawin ko nga ito. Agak yun.
Meron ako din. Short lang yung siya. Wala. Pero kung ano, yan ang gamitin mo. Ano eh? Oh, yan. Yan.
Ano na si Sabi?
Inano ko na yan eh. Nandiyan ko yan para makapasok ba.
Ito na lang.
Oo, sige. Kamukpok kasi kung hanapin ko.
Yes, okay lang. Alam ko na ito yung takap mo ka na.
Ito. Ito. Sakit tangan eh. So here we have to use a container because there is still hydraulic mixed with water. Though we can throw it away, but you know, we don't have to do that as our should save our environment. So we have to dispose it properly. So while working, we are being watched by the owner because the owner is excited in watching what is happening to his tractor. We get the first debris. It's the first crack on the upper side of the axle, the case, the transmission. Oh, It's quite heavy. I need the hand of my partner. So while checking, we noticed that the bearing
Lalabas at tunga.
stuck up,
Bibira kay
and
pasagad na sa iyang unit ya sa bantay.
also the gears, the gear teeth is broken. So the solution of this is to replace the gear teeth. I mean, not the gear teeth, the gear,
Kukuhan siguro
the bearing,
May damage yan.
also the case.
Pikas nga tail.
Ini, tanggalin na siya. Grabe, walang pintura eh. Bukado.
Usado nga na bibira. Football lang dito na ako. Football
Parang
lang.
siguro, sir, bayang.
The owner asked me if what kind of operator was him.
Long gudi.
I said maybe the operator only knows how to operate, but when it comes to noise or sign of a problem, he does not know. So he only operates and continue even though even there is a signal of the engine that it must be checked by the technician or must be a replace of something like this or a bearing or what. So we cannot blame we cannot blame the operator really, but this also serve as a lesson that when we hire an operator, the operator should at least know the basic thing to do when before driving a tractor, operating, especially on the field, because in the field there's a lot of things need to be considered.
Naman, siguro nag-ulit ba?
Utan siguro. Tapos ito, maganda gyapon niya.
Tama. Ito yung alamin natin kung bakit nagganyan. May na, pagtanggal yaron sa ito mo, ay mag-work. Sige, tanggalin natin. Tapos ng price dyan. Yung price na pinakamalakas sa atin. Ito mo sa sigurong ito. Hindi pa nikabawi sa income ba? Ako na kayo ipangayo.
Tuloy pa gano'n natin.
Ha?
Tuloy pa ka, pero wala time pass.
Hindi pa kayo siguro kabawi sa income. Ako na kayo ipangayo.
Ayaw dahil ito sa driver nga blast to.
Makisuyo ng pan. Makisuyo ng malakas. Sabihin ng Australiano. Very good boy.
Assemble siguro ano sa kuhan, kumpanya niya. Tawag yapon.
Dapat naman may gasibo. Alam nga po, dapat ka nila manchasi.
Oo. Mga, kuhan ra. Dismantle ra.
Okay.
Tama ko pa dito. Para dito mabigat to. Kinja tropa. Ada tropa. Coba ke dulu. Tempol panahot o kay panahot. Oke. Kami meron kami hat eh ngayon. Skull guard no? Meron ako niyan. Binigay ko kay Ronald kaya sabi ko, di naman ang magamit yan, Nal. Gagawin ko, maestro naman ako. Ay, says! Balik pa rin bumalik. Galing. Korte ba yung inayos natin doon sa paano?
0, 9,
Yung co-op ba? 840 oh. 840 yun. Saka isang 36 no? 36. So ano mo? Video ko muna siya.
Ha?
Video ko muna.
Ang video na akong siya ha.
Ang reset na rin.
Guba mo cellphone ni Bulag to eh. Ako na lang.
ipon mo na mo to Christian nga kuan. Facebook.
Ilisin nila na kuwan daw. Full bulb. Dala na daw niya na. Pagkahan ito yan.
Ito pa ibawan. Ano siya ka lang?
Huwag mo itong ingin niya.
Oo. Kung ko puno, nagawa ng kuwan. Pero na, nagawa. Ang tubigan.
Huwag mo ko ng kuwan ni. Kundido din.
Kapag ka po may isa, oh.
Grabe nga driver na bungol-bungol. Diba?
Yung mga gear, yung may kuwan.
Buwa ko na isa kapag ko.
Linagarat ng unit o siya kabantay. Apelido niya, football.
Football to mo, senior.
Ano nga? Ano mo report? Ano mo report?
Kabalo, siya ko sa ilang mata.
Eh kung pa tarong pangakuan, creator, yun, tapos siya kabantay-bantay.
Oo, magkuhan tayo.
Tabang-tabang. Naisugo sa mga mekaniko, makuha siya.
Nga isang kuhan ba? Isang pasaylo.
Oo.
Sir, pasaylo agad ako sir kay.
Ano yan tuyo?
Maganda ako kabantay. Ano ba?
Yaw pa.
Kasi tinuod sa mga wak kabantay kay kung kabantay ka posible.
Kung nahibaw pa siya, report na sa ako nga, narami na tagok to sa kuhan, so sa transmission dapit. Ay, salat niya nga. Pabaya, pabaya siya sa unit. Kapag tawa ang tikal ra, kung tikal ra.
Sige, paano yung paano? Kuhan mo nga sabi. Boss pa, kawang yung gamay nga planggana lang. Amo ra gay bikit ang kung atubaya. Adto.
Okay.
Nung ang ban, kasartin siguro yan. Sa tao ka.
Abre 22 ito, Bert.
Ha?
Abre 22.
Masundan ng kuhan ba?
So here we decided to
Dalo na lang po.
To get to drain the hydraulic.
Potlo ng lubot mo ipa tao.
So we have to to loosen
Ano ko ano? Potlahan.
the bolt. It's under on it's in the transmission area, transmission side.
Pinagin tubig.
Sabon tubig.
Sumod na.
Lubong magon ni dasi pugus-pugus siguro na yan.
Lubong ni.
Lubong ni.
So after we drain the hydraulic, we decided now to remove the lining case, brake lining case, because it has a crack also. And after that we should check the gears inside. using flashlight if there's still a broken teeth of the gears.
Okay, wait a minute. Silip.
So we ask a flashlight
Flashlight mo.
for us to
Flashlight.
check
Spot.
Kuha pa ko sa
the
balay.
gears on the left side
Klaro ang
if there's still broken teeth
Nalulog
or
ta ko. Yung mga bungi.
it is just here in the
Ampo lang kita nga wa.
lining case, because that's what we saw that it has a crack in this side, and also the shaft has the broken teeth, so we have to remove that one.
Dito tayo. Butas na. Clip. Tapos yung isa. Ilagay yan.
So there you go.
Talon yan.
Finally, we removed the circlip. Alright, so we are free now to remove the shaft from the case. Alright, see, there's a broken teeth also, so we have to ask the owner to replace this one. So there is a a broken teeth on that shaft. So we don't have any choice to advise the owner to buy another one. And also here, there's a crack here at the case, and all the way to the other side.
Palitan gid yan.
Kini ko to. How you
There's a problem here, so we have to replace this one. We advise the owner to replace this one, and also here there's a crack. From here along the way here. Alright.
Dalawa mo ang filter.
filter?
May filter lang ako. Hindi pa ito.
Wala crack. Di ka pa yung leaking. Pinag-leak, crack, kaya po na yun. Patimbang lang mo na yun.
Sir,
Ay, sir, yes sir.
kung ano ka, magpadala ko kuhan ka itong duha ka filter nga ka itong naikuhan.
The only,
Screen ako.
the only concern is S1.
So after checking, I found out that the only problem is the case, the bearing, and so far there is no such problem with the plates, the lining plates.
Ha?
Oh, andun lang.
And also,
So this is how we remove the problem, the case.